will be to end the abuse of the health and care visa.
The UK government removed the right for most international students to bring family members with them to the UK starting on Jan 1st, 2024. Only students who are doing research-based courses are now allowed to bring dependents in the UK. So that's about student visa. But what about graduate visa, which is known as PSW by most of you guys, which is post-study work permit? Now, the government has asked the Migration Advisory Committee, MAC, to review the graduate visa route. Now, this visa is commonly used by graduates from UK universities for post-study work. However, the government is worried about the number of applicants and whether the visa aligns with the UK's best interest or not. So, a review has been ordered by the Home Secretary, maintaining the graduate visa's relevance for post-study opportunities. But good news for this year graduates. The timeline gives comfort to students who are worried that the graduate visa might be closed this year, similar to what happened in 2012. The latest report suggests that the review of the UK graduate visa has started, with a report expected by May 14, 2024. However, it will be MPs who will determine its approval or rejection. So, if you want to know what are the latest update on PSW, please keep watching the video till the end. But before we start, a quick introduction about myself. My name is Sarika and welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. If you want to connect with me on Instagram, my ID is Your Knowledge Buddy. Also, if you want to study abroad, my team can help you free of cost. Just fill the form from the link provided in my video description and they will reach out to you soon. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. First, let's begin with understanding what is graduate or post-study work visa. A graduate visa gives you permission to stay in the UK for at least 2 years for masters and 3 years for PhD students after successfully completing a course in the UK. But remember, there are some eligibility criteria. Number 1, you must be in the UK when you apply for the graduate visa. So if you guys go to India for holiday or any break, you cannot apply from a foreign land. You need to be physically present in the UK to apply graduate visa. Second, eligibility criteria. You will not be given graduate visa if you fail in your exams, which means if you don't get a degree but just get a diploma, you are not eligible to apply PSW. Third, if your dependent was already with you in the UK during your course or just came to the UK before you applied for PSW, your dependent are allowed to apply for graduate dependent visa. Now, don't forget that from Jan 2024, only students who are doing research-based courses are allowed to bring their dependents. So, I know most of the master courses students will not be allowed to come to the UK with their dependent anymore. Fourth criteria, your last visa category should be student visa. So, let's take an example. One of the student, Rajesh, messaged me saying he switched from student visa to skill visa, but he was fired from his company within 6 months. So, he wanted to switch back to the graduate visa. Do you think he was allowed? Answer is no, because on the UK Home Office site, it's clearly mentioned that your last visa category should be student visa only to be eligible for graduate visa. And the fifth criteria, your university should email Home Office that you completed the course. Only after that you must apply for graduate visa, else it will be refused. Now, agenda 2, cost. When you apply for a graduate visa, you will need to pay the application fee, which is £822. You also need to pay the healthcare surcharge, which is usually £1,035 for each year. So in total, you will have to pay £2,892. Now, agenda number 3. What is the latest update on PSW? Well. Home Secretary James Cleverly has ordered the Migration Advisory Committee to conduct a rapid review of the graduate visa. In a letter dated 11th of March, Cleverly says that UK universities' reputation for quality could easily be put at risk if evidence emerges of immigration abuse or visa exploitation which are not tackled. In his letter, the Home Secretary says that while the graduate route has helped to attract the bright international students to the UK and to work in our economy post-study, he wants to ensure that it is not being abused. So what does he mean is that specifically, some people apply for study visas not primarily for education, but because they want to immigrate. A committee report reveals that the number of postgraduate international students attending institutions with the lowest entry requirements has risen by 250% from 2018 to 2022. And 1/3 international students study at low tariff providers. He also mentioned that he is keen to understand understand the drivers behind this, including whether it is because people are using these courses as a long-term route to work in the UK or something else. The report also suggests that many international students transfer to a skilled worker visa from the graduate visa route. That's one of the reasons why the UK government is increasing the salary threshold for the skilled worker visa from £26,200 to £38,700 from 4th of April. However, you students fall under new entrant rule where you need to get a lesser salary. Now, agenda number 4. What will this review consider? So, James Cleverly has suggested 5 areas the Migration Advisory Committee might look at. Number 1. Any evidence of abuse of the route, including the route not being fit for the purpose. Number 2. Who is using this route and from what universities they graduated. Number 3. Demographics and trends for students gaining a study visa and subsequently accessing the UK labour market by means of the graduate route. Number 4. What individuals do during and after their time on the graduate route and whether students who progress to the graduate route are contributing to the economy. Number 5. Whether the graduate route is undermining the integrity and quality of the UK higher education system, including whether it is effectively controlling for the quality of international students. So, before I conclude today's video, I'm going to say do not panic as of now, as the detailed report will be published only on 14th of May 2024. At least they are not closing the PSW for current year students, so just be happy about it. Personally, I believe, and also all the UK universities believe, that graduate visa is critically important for UK jobs, growth and global ambitions. Universities UK says the graduate route visa is important for making the UK an attractive place to study. They're asking all political parties to promise to keep offering good opportunities for students to work after they finish studying. Emerging data shows that international students' demand and enrollments are falling, with reductions at postgraduate level most significant. The survey results collected from over 70 universities show a big drop in enrollment, specifically for postgraduate taught students. In Jan 2024, there was a report decrease of over 40% in these students, likely due to changes in immigration rules. So, what are your thoughts on the graduate visa? Do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching my video till the end, and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.